The future of dentistry, innovations shaping the industry. Dentistry has made significant strides from its beginnings in the past, thanks to technological advances and breakthroughs making the field what it is now. From the development of the very first drill for teeth to 3D printing and digital imaging, the future of dental technology is more promising than ever. In this short video, we'll look at several of the most important advancements that will transform the world of dentistry over the next decades. 1. Artificial intelligence in dentistry. Artificial intelligence, AI, is currently making waves in the field of healthcare, and dentistry isn't one of them. AI algorithms are used to study patient information and predict possible dental health problems, as well as assist with creating treatment strategies. Thanks to AI, dentists are able to provide better and more customized care for their patients, resulting in better results and improved overall dental health. 2. Robotics in dentistry. Robotics use in the field of dentistry is a different trend set to transform the field. The development of robotic systems is underway to aid dentists perform complicated procedures with greater precision and precision. They can maneuver the mouth cavity effortlessly and make it much easier for dentists to complete procedures like dental extractions, implant placements, as well as root canals. By using robots, dentists will be able to ensure the best outcomes for patients and decrease the chance of human errors. 3. Augmented reality in dental education. Augmented reality, AR, can be described as a method of learning which overlays digital data on the physical world, offering a full and engaging learning experience. Within the dental field, AR technology is used to educate dental students as well as aid practicing dentists in improving their abilities. Through AR technologies, dental professionals are able to visualize complex dental procedures in 3D, which allows dentists to test and improve their procedures before performing them on patients. This improves not just the standard of care offered to patients, but it also improves the experience of learning of dental school students. 4. Teledentistry. The growing popularity of teledentistry, which allows patients to get dental treatment remotely and without the need to go to the dental office in person. With the help of video conferencing and dental imaging technology, doctors are able to detect oral health problems and provide recommendations for treatment and prescribe medication for patients in the privacy at home. Teledentistry can be particularly beneficial to those living in remote or unserved regions that may not have access to dental services. Through bridging the gap between dentists and patients, dental teledentistry improves the access and accessibility of dental care. 5. 3D printing in dentistry. 3D printing has already had a major impact on dentistry, by which allows the creation of customized dental implants, crowns, and orthodontic devices. By using the use of 3D printing technology, dental professionals are able to make precise and accurate dental restorations that can be customized to the individual patient's requirements. It not only cuts down on the amount of time and expense associated with conventional dental procedures, but also enhances the quality and overall fit of the finished item. With 3D printing continuing to improve, we will likely discover more exciting techniques in the field of dental procedures. Conclusion. Dentistry's future is exciting, thanks to groundbreaking developments and advancements in technology, making the field an efficient, accurate, and patient-focused area. Through the application of robotics and artificial intelligence to the incorporation of the augmented and virtual reality, the opportunities for advancement in the field of dentistry are limitless. While we push the limits of technology and explore innovative ways to deliver treatment, the future of dentistry is sure to be more exciting and fulfilling one for dentists and patients alike.